Hello everyone, this is Tech20 coming at you with a new tutorial, and today we're going to be covering how to merge two columns together. So if you look at our data set that we're starting out with today, we're looking at working with a first and last name, and we want those both in the same cell, so then we just have a name cell, right? Okay, so what we're going to want to do is concatenate, which is basically a fancy word for saying let's go ahead and bring the data together and put it all in the same cell. So concat, because nobody can spell concatenate. I mean, you can, but maybe you can. I can't. Good thing it's auto typed for us, but we're going to do concat, and then we're going to go ahead and enter in the cell that we want, so which is going to be A2 colon and then B2 to be merged together. Now, while that's going to get us what we want, Jim has a space in between his last name, correct? All right. So what we're going to go ahead and do here then is go ahead and hit concatenate A2, B2, but what we want to do is we want to have that space there. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and erase B2, and I'm just going to select. You can also just click on it, and then you put a comma, quotation mark, space, quotation mark. That gets you your space right there, comma, and B2 in your parentheses there, and that'll give you Jim Kahn's name. Now, in order to go ahead and copy this all the way down, so we have everyone's name in the same thing, we just go ahead and grab this little square right here in the lower right hand corner, and there we have everyone's name. And there they are. All right, if you found this content helpful, please do feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Also, feel free to check out one of my other videos, one of the other how-to videos in Excel. And if there's anything you'd like to see me cover, please leave it in the comments below. Thanks, and have a great day.